Watch, I load one page. This counter database queries. One page, 101. Nothing look broken. That's the trap. This is N+1 problem. Here's the code. First, one query gets the list of posts. Then a loop runs. For each post, it fetches one more thing. One post, one query. 100 posts, 100 queries. One query for the list plus n for the rows. That is the N+1. Turn on the query log and you watch it happen. The same select over and over. One ID at a time. Here's the part people miss. Every one of those queries is fast. Each one is indexed. Each one takes a millisecond. But every query is a round trip to the database. That round trip costs a few milliseconds across a network, sometimes more. 100 of them and your one page waits half a second. Now it gets worse. Each comment also loads its author. So the loop hides another loop inside it. 100 posts, each with 20 comments. Each comment asks for an author. Watch the counter now. 2101 for one page. N+1 fires one query for every node in the tree. Comments, authors, tags, add a relation and it multiplies again. Here's the fix. Stop asking one row at a time. Get the posts, one query. Then get all their comments together, one query. Then all those authors together, one query. One select with every ID in a single in clause. You take the IDs from each level and pass them to the next. You do the stitching in your code, not the database. 2000 queries becomes 3. The count follows the depth of the tree, not the size of it. A million rows, still 3. You might reach for a join. Sometimes that is right. For a post and its one author, a join is clean. But a post has many comments. Join them and the post repeats for every comment. 50 comments and the same post comes back 50 times. Worse, pagination breaks. You ask for 100 posts. You get 2. So for one related record, use a join. Many, fetch them in a batch. In most frameworks, this is one line. You eager load the relation. So why does nobody catch this? Because the framework hides it. You write post.author and the query fires on its own. In development, you have 10 rows. The page is instant. In production, you have 10,000. One page fires thousands of queries. Each one holds a database connection while it runs. The connections run out. The pool is empty. Every request waits. And the page you tested 100 times goes down. This is behind a lot of "it worked yesterday" outages. So how do you catch it first? Turn on query logging in development. If the count climbs as your data grows, that is your N+1. One last thing. Not every N+1 is worth the fixing. 3 items on a dashboard? Leave it. Don't over-engineer. Fix it when the number grows with your data. The senior move isn't fixing everyone. It's knowing which ones matter. Fast pages aren't about fast queries. They're about fear of them. Next time, your AI search checked every vector, one at a time. That is a better way. Subscribe and I'll see you inside the database.